How's it going, y'all? TK's here, and I finally got around to doing another unboxing. I've accumulated a few Formula One cars since our last unboxing and wanted to go ahead and do this one, the Tyrrell P34 six-wheel Formula One car by Scalextric. Pop that open, give you guys a less reflective look. As you can see, it has 6 wheels total. That is 4 in the front and 2 massive ones in the rear. Take this out. This is the number 4. This is from the mid-70s. When they used this car, it was right after a regulation change, which shortened the width of the front wing, and so the designer decided, instead of having a wheel like this sticking way out creating dirty air, why not do 2 wheels tucked in flush with the front wing so there's less drag. And all 4 wheels turned on the real car, and it was pretty interesting. Quickly the 6-wheel cars got ruled illegal, and they had to go back to your standard 4-wheel change. And designers are always looking for ways to have an advantage, and they read the regulations, and this was well within the regulations to do, but on down the road they had to change it. It looks really great. This is my first time taking it out of the box, and I really like it. The detail's really nice. Got all the sponsors. I think the driver looks great in there. So we will take this thing over to the track and take the body off, take a look at what's going on inside, and run a few laps. Fastest lap of 5.14. Not bad. This thing had a lot of grip. Wow, 5.14. That is pretty quick around my layout, and I gotta say, this is probably the best handling, grippiest slot car I've had straight out of the box without doing anything to it. These tires are really, really sticky. I probably could have gotten into the 4 second, time, I was a little afraid to push it too hard. It does still have a magnet in it, so that's helpful as well. Another cool thing is the motor detail. You can see the Ford motor in there. Looks really, really nice. And when I took it apart, as you saw, it's a 2-part body. So the front part comes off with those 3 screws, and then the back part, I undid those screws, but it wraps all the way around the axle, so I wasn't able to remove it, and it actually holds the gearing for the cars in here, which I thought was pretty cool. It's a little different and a little more realistic to have, you know, kind of the transmission right there in the back. So really happy with this one. I've got a couple other Formula One cars to do. The Tyrrell P34 Elf 6-wheel, really like it. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you could, like and subscribe, maybe ring the bell, you never know, you might want a notification. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.